Hey guys, let me show you how to care for your curly wig, body wave, water wave, and then straight, and then afro kinky, yaki, human hair wigs, or if you have synthetic wigs, how to care for them at home by using all this product, guys. Please, guys, if this video is adding any value to your wig, go ahead and subscribe and like, smash the like button, guys. Yes, and then also how to use this product at home to care for your wigs, and comment if you have any concern for your wigs, how to care for them at home, please, by using all this product I'm showing you. Because the other thing is, I'm not going to go in details with all this product, but if you have any question, please go ahead and leave your question on the comments below. I will get back to you as soon as I get it. Yes, guys, so please smash that like button if this video add any value to your wig. If you want your wig to be looking smooth and silky, fluffier, sleek, shiny, and then more movement and fluffier, just like this, to make it look really easy to put your finger through, just like this wig you're seeing here now, to make it look new, my dear. More movement when you're moving around your head. Yes, very easy and shine. Yes, so I'm going to be showing you how to wash your wig, the three ways how to wash your wig. Yes, guys, so you first have to brush your wig. After you brush your wig, go ahead with warm water, not boiled water, but warm water, guys. Please hear me out. Warm water, not boiled water. Once you wet your wig through like that, you can go ahead and use the bowl or the sink or the kettle, fill the water. But for me, I'll be using the shower. It's easier to use the shower if you have shower. But if you don't have shower at home, just go ahead with the kettle, sink, or bucket. Yes, so I'm using the shampoo, the control wig shampoo I'm using there to wash the wig. Now, if your wig is very greasy, oily, and then it's more sticky, please, you have to use shampoo. So when you use the shampoo, focus on the frontal lace. If the wig has frontal lace, if it doesn't have frontal lace, just wash everywhere really good and give it a good massage. Sometimes you may go 3 times or 2 times, depending how the wig is really greasy and then oily. So you may use the shampoo 2 or 3 times. But if it's a bit dirty, once with the shampoo is all good, then you go ahead, give it a good massage, and then you just use the shower like I'm using now. Rinse the wig through very well, just like this. Yes, and use your finger to get it through the wig to make sure there is no tangles, there is no knot. Yes, sometimes you can use the brush or a comb just to get it through while you're washing it. Yes, then this is my afro kinky human natural hair yaki. Yeah, this wig is 5-year-old wig, so because I care for it very well, it's still looking nice. So this second part I'm doing now, I'm going to show you how to use the conditioner on this part. Remember, I said I will be showing you 3 ways how to care for your wig. So I'm using the conditioner now onto this part. I've already shampooed, so I'm going along with the conditioner. But if you have a new wig as well, or new bundles of hair, you want to wash them, you can go ahead and wash it like that with the conditioner. Only if the wig it's new, or your bundles of hair you want to maybe colored or wash them first before you make your wig, you can also wash it with this way, with the conditioner. You have to use more conditioner so you get it really soft and silkier, really easy to manage when you want to use it. Yeah, you can go along with any kind of conditioner or shampoo. It doesn't have to be expensive, guys. Yes, sometimes cheaper stuff are even better depending the quality they have. Then please be mindful if any of the products they're not allergic to your scalp or for your hair. Yes, so that you don't use it for the wig in case. So this is the third method I'm going to show you. Smash that like button if these tips are adding any value for your wigs, guys, please. So this third method, you go along with conditioner itself, or leave-in conditioner, or hair serum, then with hair mask treatment or hair food treatment. These are all optional. The main one is the conditioner, but if you have these five, you can add them to get this hair treated just like so. Leave it for a few days to soak in that bowl. Once you add all those five products, mix it and give the hair a good massage and leave it to soak for a few days. That will leave the hair really silk and soft, just like this, and shiny. Yes, guys. So some people, what they do, they will go ahead and put it in the microwave at this stage. I don't use no microwave method. I don't use no hot water method. All I do is give it a good soak into that bowl for a few days. The longer you leave it, the better. But this third method as well, if you want to add curls to your wig, you can go with this third method. If not, if it's wanted just washed for straight purpose, do use those two methods I first show you. But this third method is when you want to add more curls to your wig, you can go ahead and use it. Then if you don't have those five products I call, the main one to use, it's conditioner. It's all good. Just put more. You have to put more of the conditioner so that it soaked all the wig through. Yes, guys. So as soon as you washed everything, you can go ahead and wash it like that, just to get the tangle, the knot out of the wig. So this way it leaves the wig really soft and silk, and then shiny, more movement. You leave the wig really fluffy at the end. So this way you'll be able to put your finger through the wig after it's dry, guys. Yes. So I hope these tips are all good. I hope it makes sense. If it doesn't, just go ahead and leave comments for me. I'm happy to get back to you. Yes, guys. Or the other tip I forgot to share with you guys as well. When you buy your bundles or your wig the first time, if you want to use the conditioner method, please, if it's a bit smellier, because the manufacturing, sometimes the chemical they use, it leaves the wig a bit smellier, please go ahead and use a little bit of shampoo before you use the conditioner. Yes, guys. So once you finish wash your wig very well, you go ahead and hang it in a cool room. Yes, I hang mine in a cool room because it leaves the hair looking soaky like that, silky, more fluffier, and more movement. It make it give it that soak look, which the way your wig supposed to look really nice. Yes, leave it in a cool room. That's where I dried mine. So you can go along and use all this control wig spray. This one is to just straighten the hair, more volume and everything. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe.